Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I got a pair of revolvers here. Revolver Brewing. This was a request from Joshua Avery. I reviewed one kind earlier. This one here is the Blood and Honey Texas Ale. The other one was light blonde. Oh, my blonde ale. Made in Granbury, Texas. This is 7% ABV, 20 IBUs. So I'm assuming this is probably a pale ale type of a drink. If it's got some bitterness to it with the ABVs. I mean with the IBUs. I got these for $9.98 6-pack, which ain't too bad, really. Got company coming over, and we'll get to drink these. So it says here, as unfiltered as Texas pride. As golden as a West Texas sunset, blood orange peel, Texas honey, and a blend of spices come together to create a beer as unique as the place it's from. Okay. Let's see what this is like. Ooh, wow. It kind of has a blonde kind of look to it as well. Not really any sediment in there. Trinity Aquifer water, Texas honey spices, blood orange peel, wheat, barley, hops, and yeast, unfiltered pride. One finger of head. It's kind of a, yeah, pretty white, fluffy head. Oh man, does that smell good? Wow. You get the honey, almost has a honeysuckle kind of aroma. Wow. A little of the hops there, a little of the orange peel, a little barley. You don't get any alcohol in the aroma. All right, let's check this thing out. Oh wow, man, is that good? Ooh. It's got a sweetness to it, honey. A little barley malt there, a little bit of orange peel on the back end. Yeah, you could say there's about 20 IBUs, but not much more than what I got on the other one that I reviewed. I'm barely getting any alcohol out of it. 7%, I should be able to taste it more than this, but there's a lot of flavors going on in here. So wow, that is really good. Yeah, you get a little hops in there. You get just like a little bit of everything. You get a little of the blood orange, I didn't get blood orange so much on the other one, I don't believe. Yeah, there's some spice type notes in there. Wow, I think my nephew's really gonna like this. Very good. You get that little bit of IBUs, a little bit of orange peel on the back end and on the swallow, but it's not really that big at all. So, really good stuff. All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you, Joshua Avery, for the suggestion. See you on the next one.